But seriously, I really think there is just so much untapped potential in community gardens where the community could be meeting. It doesn't even have to be for gardening. It could be for, you know, stargazing, concerts in the park, food trucks, stuff like that. There's just so many different opportunities that the community garden can be the meeting place for. Oh look, an old potato from last harvest. Must have forgot this one. Potato. Potatoes. Boil them, mash them, put them in a stew. All right. So, but yeah, I just think there is a lot of potential with community gardens that, I don't know, it's not maybe realized, it's underfunded to the point where it's not worth anyone's time to do. But I wish it were the case, right? I wish community gardens were the meeting place for a lot of different things. You know, sharing seeds that you've harvested, sharing produce, sharing seedlings, right? Like you started too many tomato plants and you wanna share them with your neighbors here. Classes, right? Teaching others how to, you know, do various things in the garden. Oh, here's a little wormy friend. You can go over there. But yeah, I just feel like there's so much potential in the community garden. It's like the library, right? It's like one of the last few spaces in a society that's kind of communal. Right? It has that communal feel to it. Libraries more so. Just, you don't have to pay anything. There's no expectation to pay. So I think libraries kind of win in that regards. Oh look, another potato. I'll just take these. Take those home. Cool. We got some potatoes. I think there's another one here. Should I leave those? I'm gonna leave a couple. Definitely more potatoes growing over here. You can see them popping through. This is like a sweet potato. How did sweet potatoes get over here? That is a sweet potato. But yeah, libraries and community gardens, they just seem like two very unique places in a society that a lot of cool things can come out of, right? A lot of fun things. And another. And another. Man, I did not do a good job of harvesting these potatoes, huh? I missed a lot. But I don't know if you saw the video on potatoes. If you're not growing them, I suggest that you do because they are so easy to grow. They're, for an unskilled gardener like me, who's also lazy, they were super easy. They were super easy. Okay, I'm gonna get that big shovel. Okay. This does not look half bad, right? Here we go. All right. There we go. This is some broadleaf dock. It's actually technically edible, but I'm good. I'm not at that point in my gardening career to be eating anything and everything edible. All right, a few more little potatoes in here. That's good. So I was just moving all that dirt over to here. You can take a peek at my compost. And this is kind of just helping weigh it all down. There's some food waste underneath that, but this kind of just helps weigh it all down. It's doing pretty good. It definitely needs to be turned. On the bottom is actually kind of ready to be reintroduced back to the garden beds. But I'm in no rush. Oh gosh, my garden beds are actually looking pretty good now. See, there's one. It's looking all right. A little work in that one, but we'll be good. This is where the corn was. Still looking good. And this is up here where we're gonna have the whole area where we're gonna have all of the berries. See these berries? Like raspberries, blackberries. I'm gonna just let them run, grow wild up here. Move all this stuff out of here, let them run wild. Should be fun.